If your team is creating the reports from the surveys and the questionnaires manually, then you need an upgrade. Hi, my name is Kudrat Ali, and I'm gonna show you how I can automate your report creation and report analysis by using OpenAI and Make.com. So let's go into that. So in my scenario over here, in my automation over here, we are using Jotform as the main form, like the questionnaire would be in the Jotform, and we are using OpenAI as a brain. So it will be having a prompt over there, and that prompt like will analyze the response that was submitted by the user. Okay, so the next is the uh, markdown to the HTML. It is just creating an HTML file from the OpenAI. OpenAI just give us a text, a raw text. So we have to format that thing so that we can create a PDF or Google Docs. So the next, after the HTML file, we will get an HTML, and we will feed that HTML to the Google Drive. So we will create that file and save it into the Google Drive. Okay. So after creating the Google Docs in the Google Drive, we will just download it. This module will download it, and then we will send the email to the our team. Okay. So this is just like minimizing the manual work. So like in actually, like there's zero manual work in between. The jot form would be, or a form or questionnaire would be submitted, and the rest of the things would be handled by the make.com, and your team would be receiving the email. Okay, so let's go ahead and see and submit the form over here. And like it would be a run. I will show you the whole run on the screen. Like when the moment I will submit the form, this is a questionnaire that is connected with this one. The moment I submit the form, the run would be happening over here. You will see a live run over here. So okay, let me just pause the video for now and submit and go till the end of this form so that I can submit that thing. Okay, here we are at the submit button. So I will submit this one, and you will see exactly the flow of the scenario. Yeah, first this will be triggered, then the file, the data will be transferred over here. Let's go ahead and see what happens. You will see a trigger immediately. You can see it over here. Yeah, right now it is creating the response, like the chat is creating the response, like by using the prompt that we have given it. After that, it will convert that raw into HTML. It will just take a few seconds. Yeah, now it's creating the file in the Google Drive. It's Google Docs. It would be downloaded and it would be sent. Yeah, the operation is successful and the Gmail is sent. I have put my Gmail into that, and let's see if it is in the if I have received it or not. Okay. Yeah, 6:35. I just received it right now, and right now the time is 6:35. Okay, let's just open it. Yeah, it's 0 minutes ago, and yes, we have received an email. There would be a body, and then we have a summary. Or you can see that's why I was saying we have to convert that thing into HTML. So we have the bold, the titles, and also these bullets. So it would be like in our prompt I have mentioned that it must be under 7 pages. Okay, so it has created of 7 pages. So this is it. This was the whole workflow all done by the make.com. And the thing is, right now, if I talk about that, the make and the OpenAI, in that thing there is no manual work. Like the jot form was triggered automatically. Like some of your client have filled the form, and it will automatically trigger the workflow, and no manual intervention, and you will receive an email and the file would be automatically into your Google Drive. That is just like removing the manual work, removing that man from the workflow. And it is also really efficient and consistent, and the it's just like a robot is working as a brain over there. So this was it, the workflow that is really important. If you want to connect with me, or want to automate your tasks, want me to do that task for you, just let me know. Thank you so much.